I'm riding along with the Alaska State Troopers. And finding out that being the law up here is a whole different story.
PSI Alaska.
You gotta leave the patrol car behind and get ready to get up close and personal.
We contact the subject. He's going to jail now.
These lawmen face more guns per person than anywhere else in the country. And if things go bad, backup is hundreds of miles away.
State troopers with a warrant! Open the door!
If the criminals don't get you, the wilderness could. I'm Geo Beach.
When you go on patrol with these state troopers, that's tougher in Alaska!